Dateline online moneymaker. It's pandemonium in the streets as futuristic fruit company claims it has invented a talking device that can produce free money. Has the babe already heard about this? These two aren't convinced. When asked if this was true, President Truman didn't have any more answers than Mussolini did. Still, governments around the world prepared their armed forces for widespread panic as thousands of citizens took to the streets in anticipation and excitement over the news. This fella said, "I'll take some free money." The fruit company from the future claims that by downloading an application, you can get free money, which begs the question, what is downloading and what is an application? Stay tuned to Online Moneymaker as we will reveal all the answers in this video. Welcome to Online Moneymaker, where we make money online. No, let's get back to modern day and go. Welcome to Online Moneymaker. Wait, nope, that's the 80s. Welcome to Online Moneymaker, where we live in the future. You want to know what I love about the future, which is now that I can put myself in these bubbles, these magical bubbles, but also you can make money for doing nothing. All you need is a smartphone, and today I'm going to show you a bunch of different apps that you can download to your phone. They're going to pay you for nothing, okay? Nothing. All you got to do, download them, walk around, go about your daily life, make money. So let's get started right now. Look at this, 100% passive income. It's basically install the app, sit back and let us do the rest. I mean, that can't be any easier. This one happens to have a referral program too. So you tell your friends, listen, you download this app, use my little code, you're just gonna make money for free, but don't tell them that you're gonna make 30% of everything they cash out. And this is gonna cost you nothing, 100% secure, don't worry about your data. And basically all they're gonna do is send a text to your phone from time to time, and for that you're gonna make 2 cents every time they do that. I mean, that's free money. I know this has the European euro symbol here, but don't worry, this is available in the United States as well. This app is called Money SMS. Just download it to your phone. They're gonna send you some text from time to time, and every time they do, you're gonna make 2 cents. Now, I do know that 2 cents does not sound like a lot of money. However, that will build up over time. But I think where the real value is here is that you can just get all your friends into this, just reel them in like a big old slimy fish and say, hey, I'm making tons of money on this app for nothing. So use my little code here, and guess what? Don't tell them this, but you're gonna make 30% off every one of them. Next app on the list here, you're gonna get a $5 Amazon gift card 1 week after you register, but I'm sorry, only if you're in the United States of America. And this is one of my favorite apps. I've got a couple more of these coming up, but this is one you just make money just by leaving the app running. So you just download it, get your $5 Amazon gift card, leave it running, and you're just making money. Now they do offer you surveys. If you want to earn more money, you can choose to do that or not. I tend to find that some of the surveys are too long and they're not worth the time for what they pay you. You can also do sweepstakes entries to do more prizes, and guess what? You can feel good about yourself because the company donates trees to the Trees of the Future program. So why don't you make a little money and help out the environment at the same time? But you might be asking yourself, why would these dummies pay me for nothing just to download their app and keep it running? Well, here's why. Because essentially they are collecting data, not your personal data, mind you, but they want to know what you're browsing on the internet. They want to know where you're going, and that is just for market research, okay? Don't worry, they're not taking your social security number, they're not taking your address, they're not finding your nude pics or anything like that. So it's 100% safe, and it's just free money. And this app is called Mobile Expression Panel. So if you like free money, then express yourself and get Mobile Expression Panel on your phone today. This app you should download is called S'more. They spelled it all fancy, S-more. And all they do, you basically get paid for, as they put it, something you're already doing, which is unlocking your phone. So they will place just ads on your lock screen, and every time you unlock your phone, there's going to be an ad sitting there. All you got to do is just swipe it off, and that's it. You're getting paid. So they're not like shoving ads down your throat or anything. You just have to be able to accept the fact that you're going to have on your lock screen an ad's going to pop up from time to time, and they pay you money every time you unlock your phone, which like they say, and I have to admit they're right, you gotta unlock your phone to use it, don't you? So why not get a little bit of coin in your pocket every time you're doing that? So that's the Smore app. Here's another one that does the exact same thing as the last one. That's called SlideJoy. They're gonna do the same thing. Throw some ads up there. They pay you every time you unlock your phone. So to be honest with you, I don't know if it works if you have this one and the last one on your phone. It might. Maybe you guys can try that. But you know, just in case some more doesn't work out for you, SlideJoy, excuse me, probably will. So I just wanted to throw this in just to give you a little something extra. This next app, as you can see right here, it's pretty simple. You earn points and you can cash it out for Amazon gift cards or prepaid Visa cards. So 7,500 points is going to get you $5 in cash, basically. And like I said before, I've got a hack for all these at the end of this video that you can earn much more money than what these guys are telling you. So stay tuned for that. This one's called Panel App, and it's essentially another one of those, just let it run and make money. They just want to collect certain things to make the internet a better place. It's kind of like market research. They want to kind of see where you're going. And if you didn't know this before now, if your cell phone is on when you're out and about, it's tracking where you're going anyway. If you didn't know that, then I'm sorry, but yeah, your phone is tracking your location. There's no getting around the fact that there's somebody somewhere that's using that data to do whatever they're doing. So you might as well just get paid for it, you know what I'm saying? And this one, you can take surveys also if you want to earn extra money, but if you don't, just leave it running and you're just gonna make money. Here's another one that does exactly the same thing, MB Meter CX, same thing. Download it, keep it running, make money. Okay, this next one is actually pretty cool. This is a good one. So you're gonna download this app, and then within that app, they're gonna give you options to customize your home screen. Things like the time, the weather, news. Then you collect points basically every time you open up your phone, and you get paid out in PayPal cash, free PayPal money. So again, you're gonna open your phone anyway, you might as well get paid for it, and this one you can actually customize to your liking. And they're gonna give you a lot of different options for your home screen. Now you can throw your camera up there, the flashlight, the weather, a dollar sign, calendar, clock, all that. So totally customizable, and just by doing that customization through this app, they're gonna pay you money every month. And it's called ScreenLift, and to get this one you have to get on your computer and go to screenlift.io. And to be honest with you, this is one of the best ones I'm talking about today. screenlift.io. And this last one, this is the one you are going to want to use if you really want to get paid for doing nothing. You're going to download this app. You're going to get paid basically to share your internet. Now, don't get scared. This is not data collection. This has nothing to do with data. You are basically going to be acting as a tower, as an internet tower, and they're going to pay you very handsomely for this. And like I said, at the end here, I'm going to show you exactly how to work this system, how to take advantage of all these at once and make a ton of money. We're talking $500 a month, easy. And this naughty little app that's going to pay you basically for doing jack is called Honeygain. Okay, it's available for all devices, as you can see here: Android, Windows, Mac, blah 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 blah, Linux, whatever that is. I don't even know what Linux is, but Honeygain. Okay, this is the one you're going to want. Now stay tuned, because I'm about to reveal how to completely take advantage of everything I just told you today. So the hack here, the big secret is that these apps will still make you money with a phone that's not activated, okay? You need to get as many devices as you can. They do not have to be activated to some sort of mobile service. They just need to be powered up and on some sort of Wi-Fi. So I went to eBay here and I typed in cheap used mobile phone, and I see right away I can get a BlackBerry for 27 bucks. Now, if I'm running all these apps on one device, that's making me about $100 a month. So if I buy this cheap BlackBerry for 27 bucks, I load all these apps into here, just leave it in my bedroom with the power plug plugged in, running off my internet all day. I'm gonna make that off this phone. And if I get another one for 27 bucks, I'm gonna make another one. So we can see how this works, right? And you know what I love about the future is that we have the ability to make money this easy, which our friends back in the 1940s and 50s did not have the opportunity to do. You have been watching Online Moneymaker live from the entertainment capital of the world, Los Angeles, California. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. We will see you next time.